All right, it's been a while since we've been on this tank. I'm going to get back on and try to finish it today if I can. Right now we've got the inside cleaned out real nice, and we're trying to, we're going to coat the inside of the tank. But there's some holes that I'd like to braze up, and I'm going to give that a shot. You can see it's a little, it's worse than what I thought. If you look in, right there is a hole too. There's another hole right beside that bead of solder. There's one in front of that bead of solder. There's one there. There's one back there, which tells me this whole area is really weak. So here's my goal. My goal is to stop up those holes, and then we'll coat the inside of the tank, and that should get by for a period of time. So we'll be brazing on this thing just in a little bit. Some of the tricks, man, take the time to clean the area really good before you try to braze it. I used everything from a screwdriver, sand cloth, wire brushes, Scotch Brite, and this guy right here, a Dremel with a little wire brush on it. That really helped out. But I've got it pretty much cleaned up. I'm going to try to braze a few places, and we'll be back and let you know if I burnt big holes through it or if we made progress. All right, so I tried one spot, and that's the braze. Actually, it's I'll show you what I'm using. It worked pretty well. I'm going to try to hit the other 5 holes at one time. I'm going to try to set the camera up to where you can see it. But here's what I'm using. I'm using 45% silver solder. They sell it by the troy ounce. Right here, it's Safety Sill 1370, cadmium free, 45% silver solder, or silver braze. I am using Stay Sill, an old can that's been around, all dried out, that I had to throw in there and put a little water with it and mix it. But I'm going to try to set the camera up, and we'll see if we can hit and braze. I think there's like 5 holes that I showed earlier, so we're going to do that and go from there.